Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. A quick look at ZCASH today. I'm going to get that pronunciation right. I know it's annoyed some of you. Now, $579 here. We can see ZCASH has taken a little bit of a correction. You can see it's taken a small kind of nosedive. It's down 10% plus here on the 24-hour time frame. So let's kind of have a look at the price structure. And structurally, it looks great. Retrospectively, it's looking solid. And privacy coins are still very much kind of amid a rally, and they're still up massively compared to 30 days ago on average. So where can this go and what might happen next? Now, of course, this isn't financial advice. I don't know the future. It's just my own take on things. But given where things are going, and with privacy still emerging and growing more, coins like XMR, Dash, ZCASH, A-Star, you know, a lot of these ecosystems are growing a lot. So I just want to kind of talk about it. And if you're new here, please, you know, I like to get as many people into my Discord as possible. Please join the crypto Discord down below. It is fully free to join. Come hang out. We've got like 43,000 people in here at the moment. Now, obviously this has been parabolic over the last few weeks, but when we kind of nosedive into the smaller timeframes, we can start to see that we're now forming a little bit more structure, and we are starting to see ZCASH play around with some previous support regions, more so being this particular support right here, which is $400 or $500, basically around $500. Now, we did have a massive amount of buying pressure at $520. We can see that's illustrated here by this wick here. So basically, yeah, today there's been a lot of buying pressure for ZCASH, and it did actually come down. Equally, there's been a lot of sell pressure at the $600 mark. So we kind of have this area of tons of volume being selling pressure and buying pressure all at once. Now, you could just say, well, it's forming a symmetrical triangle by the looks of it, and it looks like it might end up going up again, but it's really hard to say exactly what will happen unless the rest of the market pumps, unless Bitcoin, altcoins, and other coins start to move and the market sentiment picks up, because we are sitting pretty much in fear right now. Unless we get a recoil here to increase the sentiment of buyers in the market and increase a bit of hype here, then it's very difficult to say where it may go. And a lot of people are calling for $1,000. And I think, I don't blame you. You know, $1,000 could be something that happens. It's a possibility, right? Absolutely, it's a possibility. And when we look at the market cap, ZCASH is still absolutely flying. It's very parabolic in terms of its market capitalization and its value at the moment. Personally, you know, this is too difficult to say. And I don't think no one really knows what's truly going to happen next. And it did hit overbought recently on the 4-hour RSI. Logic tells me it might come back down to 500, but if the market flips bullish, then we could still retest potentially the resistance here on this triangle, which would take us back to about $650, with the potential to then move higher and break through that particular resistance. But of course, downside is very possible, meaning 16% potential downside. Upside is also possible, around 15%. And that could continuate, that could turn into something else. Of course, if we break low to 500, we could break even lower. If we break up, we could break higher. So it's in both directions. It's very hard to say what might actually happen. If you are looking to play around with ZCASH, you can check out KSEX down below, where you can trade this coin. You can use leverage and things. Of course, never risk more than you can afford to lose, but it is available on KSEX down below, and they are doing $370 of sign-up bonuses right now, which is absolutely juicy and really generous. Here we can see Electric Coin Co., creators of the ZCASH protocol and Sashi app, are building a full-stack user experience for ZCASH, delivering products and financial privacy and self-sovereignty. So that's a pretty big statement. And there was another massive statement here. Shanaka Anselm Pereira. I don't know who he is. Let's just find out. Author and ideologist exploring money, AI science, and sovereignty, however you say that word. It says here, very quickly, cash dies in 847 days. Europe just legislated the end of financial freedom, and nobody noticed. January 2027, every euro above 10,000 euros becomes a legal tender. Every Bitcoin needs government permission. Every transaction becomes a data point in Brussels' surveillance grid. This is not proposed, this is law. 340 million Europeans will wake up in a cage built from their own bank accounts. That is crazy. And I'm not going to read through the whole thing. You can probably find the tweet or the news somewhere online. But that also looks quite shocking, really, as a whole. Now, what else is happening on sector performance? We can see, of course, we had privacy coins doing 20% upside, but now file storage is up 68.8%. And I guess that's to do with Filecoin making a move in the latest sort of few days that we've had here in the crypto market. That's also been a bit interesting. And in general, you know, we just need the market to pick up, guys. We need this momentum. We're sitting at $3.54 trillion, but we need higher. We need more Ethereum pumps. We need BNB, Solana, XRP, and Bitcoin. We need the top dogs to start moving. We've got XRP sleeping and lagging behind a bit, although year on year it is looking absolutely fantastic. If you go back to 2022, anyone that bought then, you're in a great, great place. But yeah, we're just missing that sentiment. We're missing the fun in the market. If you're new here, please check out the Patreon linked down below. This is designed to help you grow in the blockchain market, providing education, resources, signals, risk analysis, trade strategy, and a bunch of other awesome things. The most popular category is the crypto legend, but just because it is, doesn't mean you have to get that one. You can also spend a bit less and get the crypto champion or the crypto warrior. It's completely up to you. Link down below. Before you head off, subscribe, like, comment. We will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Booze.